I just found one nice exercise program from the Arnold Schwarzenegger, and I will try to do that. That seems quite nice, and in this stay-at-home time it's very important to keep moving, and I decided that this could be really nice way to try to exercise while staying at home. I found this exercise program from the Arnold Schwarzenegger in the Reddit. I'm not crazy to go with advanced program. It's 50 reps for each of the exercise. I will try beginner exercise program. It's 25 reps per exercise. On paper it looks really good exercise program for cases like this when we have to stay at home but still like to be fit and move a little bit. So I have plenty of time. One customer just cancelled jobs for the upcoming few months, and guess this is my chance to get a little bit back in the fit. We'll see how it will go. So I will have a link to this program below in description, and you can try it on your own, and I will try to do that right now, and we'll see how that will go. So let's start. 25 push-ups. It's burning a bit. It's a little bit burning in my hands, but doable. Okay, next time. Dips between chairs. That will be challenging. That's much harder than I expected. The chairs are shaking. I have to do 20 reps. Let's try. I hope that I will not kill myself. Chairs are really shaky, and probably my chairs are not the best, but yeah, I will try again. A little bit harder than I expected. Three left, but I see that this is not the best technique, but that's what I can do. Whew, my hands hurt. It will be a hard day tomorrow. So, row between chairs, beginner, 30 reps. Sounds easy, but probably there is some catch again. Okay. If I will broke something, at least that will be on tape. Rows between chairs, 30 reps. Sounds. This looks very fragile, but and this construction looks fragile as well. This is not easy, but I was afraid that this will break, but tables are unstable, but I survived. Okay, what's next in our program? Okay, 30 sit-ups, then 25 bent leg rises, then bent over twists, 25 again. Okay, let's start. Hope I'm doing that right. Okay, this one looks strange. 25 for this. Okay, squats. Okay, 25 squats. That doesn't sound challenging, but we'll see. Yes, that wasn't hard. And oh, next one, half rises, 25. I guess that is 25 for each leg, I don't know. Whew. And last one in my list is 10 chin-ups. Chin-ups is quite challenging because you have to pull a bar. I don't have good expectations for those 10 chin-ups. Luckily or unluckily for me, I have pull a bar, so let's try to do that. Pull a bar like this one doesn't cost a lot. I bought mine for about 20 euros. Five more and I will be done. One more. That is not one. That is it. This is kind of hard, but I did it. So I will have protein shake and shower and back to work. So if you're stuck at home as well, this seems quite good workout to stay at home but keep exercising and stay fit. So try it and tag me in your video if you will publish it. Stay fit, stay healthy. Feels a little bit too tasty to be healthy, but